through the process of downloading MySQL Server for the Mac and even Workbench. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click this little link right here. I'm actually going to choose version 8.0.23. This is what you should be. This is going to work on a lot of stuff. Some of the newer Macs have issues with the newer versions of MySQL Server. So let's go ahead and choose 8.0.23. I'm going to go ahead and download that and wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, so now it's finished downloading. I'm going to go ahead and double click the download. And I'm just going to double click on the Prakash right here. I'm going to allow it. And here we go. So continue, yes, 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 just agree to it. And now we're going to install. This right here is going to prompt you for the password for your machine. Install software. Great. Now, this is where you need to pay attention. We are going to use legacy password encryption. Do not use strong password encryption. Legacy. Now, this is where we enter a password, and it needs to be 8 characters for Mac. Go ahead and make it root. Make it as simple as it can be. If you do make it way more complicated, please write it down somewhere because it is very hard to change this once it's done. Now, this right here is going to be the password for my machine. All right, so we should have success. Now I need to download MySQL Workbench. So I'm going to Google download MySQL Workbench Mac. And I'm going to click on this. I'm going to choose this one here. No thanks, just start my download. Now, I do have MySQL Workbench downloaded onto my machine. So just go through the process. This process right here is very, very simple. Really just follow the prompts and you should be good. Now, if you want to go ahead and test it out, let's go ahead and test it out, the connection. So I'm going to click on Mr. Squeakers here, the dolphin, and you should have a connection right here that says local instance. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to enter that root password that I had, root. And if it brings you to this, that means you are in the mainframe and we can start doing some SQL stuff. So this is pretty cool. Go ahead and start using MySQL Workbench.